Assalamu alaikum students, how are you all? I hope you all are fine and safe at home. Okay students, today let's start with the reader getting up, as we have already done this before in the class. Now let's revise it. Student, first of all, here look at the back of your reader. The name of the reader is written and the question also. Read the question with me. What is the surprise? Once again, what is the surprise? Now we will read the reader and then we will come to know that what's the surprise is there in the story. Now here, look very carefully. Read the title of the reader. What is the name? Yes, it's Getting Up. Okay, do you know the name of this boy? Who is he? Very good, he is Kipper. What Kipper is doing here? Yes, he is getting up. Kipper is happy or sad here? Very good students. Kipper is happy. Kipper and Terry both are getting up happily in the morning. Now look here. What Kipper is doing? Very good. He is brushing his teeth. Where Kipper is standing? Yes, in the washroom. Okay, tell me one thing. When you get up early in the morning, do you brush your teeth? Yes, we do brush our teeth, right? When we get up in the morning, we brush our teeth. So, Kipper is also brushing his teeth. Okay, tell me, who is this boy standing at the back of Kipper? Yes, very good. He is Chip. Chip has done and now Kipper is brushing his teeth. Now look here students, what Kipper is doing? Yes, he is getting ready and looking for his clothes in the drawer. Kipper is happy or sad here? Yes, Kipper is sad. Who is at the back of Kipper? Very good, Floppy. Very good students. Now look at the door. Who are they? Very good, they are Biff and Chip. Biff and Chip might came from some shopping and they are also looking at Kipper what he is doing. Oops, what happened here? Kipper is pulling out his shirt and some of the shirts fell from the iron stand. Biff and Chip both are ready and they are also waiting for Kipper. Okay, Kipper is ready and now he is trying to tie up his shoelaces. But Kipper seems to be sad here because Kipper doesn't know how to tie up his shoelaces. Look at the door students. Biff and Chip both are laughing at Kipper. Oh, look here students. Yes, they all have arranged a surprise birthday party for their daddy. So, this was the surprise they have arranged because it's a dad's birthday party. Look at the banner, what it has written. Happy birthday, Daddy. How old is Daddy now? He is 35 years old now. They all are happy here. Thank you. Take care. Allah Hafiz.